Hey Saito, what cells are there in the immune system? And more importantly, what cell am I? Well, there are many cells in the immune system, but I can tell you the ones that are the most common. And I think you're a macrophage. Your job is to eat debris from broken cells, or to just eat viruses, or eat bacteria. But then, what other cells are there? Well, there are cells such as. Wait, what? Who are you? I am the owner of the show Immunoflash, but you can just call me Dots. Anyways, the answer to the question is the cells that are the most common are macrophages, neutrophils, dendritic cells, T cells, there are various T cells, basophils, mast cells, and eosinophils, not to mention the memory cells which are produced after the battle. There are two types of immune systems, innate and adaptive. You, for example, are part of the innate immune system, which means you are there when you are born. However, Saito is a natural killer cell, which means he is part of the adaptive immune system, which means he is developed as the human grows. Can you just bring Saito back, please? Fine. What was that for? You are stealing my thunder. And what would the subscribers think if I don't do anything? It's fine. Just don't do it again.